RCX builds it.
Was able to build this in a
Garage.
with a box of scraps.
Cheese and crackers, right where you burned your leg. Yeah. 326. Yeah, that'd be a little bit.
Well, if Anthony was over here right now, he'd be like, "Go raffle!"
Oh yeah.
Put him on there like that.
No, yeah. I think he'd be a fan of the black. He like his Honda's all black.
Yeah. I like some black, but I also like chrome. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I like chrome. I think I like chrome only until I get black. Then I'm like all black. Murder it out.
Murder it out. Murder it out.
Yeah. Rotation.
So you want to just do one at a time, or put both of them on there?
Let's do one. You so still?
Starts up good, huh?
Where we at? So.
Oh my God.
No way. 500. I'm wondering if this thing's even like correct, dude. All right, that's 313.
What?
How did it get hotter?
Ain't no way. That ain't right.
500 degrees. 219 down here.
Check it up by the top.
Yeah,
Oh, man, first bin.
321.
Why the hell is that one cooler than this one? This one's lean or what?
263. I mean, there's a difference here. 323. 280. Man, what's up with this guy? Golly. 500 something degrees.
Oh my God.
Why would a one cylinder be a lot harder?
RCX builds it.
Was able to build this in a
Garage.
with a box of scraps.